CJ.
Hello.
Chef Davany.
Hello.
Chef Delilah. And Chef Tegan. Today we are going to be making an ice cream brookie with a smoothie on the side. So first we're going to get our cookie dough. And we are going to be putting our cookie dough on the plate. And then next we are putting our Reese's peanut butter bars onto our pan. And make sure to throw the scraps away. You're going to need 15 to 16 of these Reese's peanut butter bars.
And then you have to pat the dough.
Yeah, you pat the dough down. Next, you will be taking our dough and pouring it into our bowl. And then we are going to be taking our water and a measuring cup. And we're going to put 1/2 of water. And same for the oil. Now you use your whisk to stir it.
This will be a good exercise for your arms.
Yeah, and we also need 3 eggs. Then you can pour it. And we want to pour it all around so it bakes how we would like. After this, you're going to be taking your pan and you are going to be putting it in the toaster oven. And if you don't have a toaster oven, an oven will work perfectly fine for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And while we wait for that to cook, CJ will be making his delicious smoothie.
So first you have to press the release button and open it. And then you put the fruits in. Even if you want to put the bananas in.
Sure.
So we have frozen fruit and fresh fruit. Either one should do good. And remember to throw your scraps in the trash. Put your milk inside the smoothie. No, that was for the first. Put it on the blender and then. Voila!
There you go. Now we make the smoothie.
And now you can.
Oh no, it looks like our brookie's ready. Let's go get it out of the oven. Make sure to do this with an adult so you don't burn yourself. And now all we have to do is get the plates that we have. And we will be putting the brookie with a spoon. And now for our scooping time. Now we want to add some ice cream. You can use the combination, or you can choose any kind of ice cream that you would like. Now you add your sprinkles. You can choose any type of sprinkles you want. We have stars and they have flats.
It's optional if you want to.
So that's the end of our show.
Thank you for
Thank you for watching Miss Friend's Cooking Show. Enjoy your yummy brookie with an ice cream on the side.